Good morning, my dear students. All are fine? Okay. Now, equation of straight line I have already completed, no? So I will start today new chapters. Okay. I mean, previous class I told that is I will start today new chapters. This is similarity. So very difficult chapter is there. Keep in mind. Okay. So you have to learn. You have to practice at home similarity. Whatever I am teaching here and whatever I give study material and also worksheet. All of you practice at home nicely, okay? And if you are facing any trouble, any problem is there, you have to inform me, then I will solve. Maximum problem I will solve. Solution set I will send study material. I already give you, okay? Study material. I will give maximum solution. I will give. Okay, don't worry. Now, see, similarity means similar shape but different in size. Keep in mind, similarity means similar shape, similar shape but different in size, okay? See, suppose I am writing, see all of you know this is right angle triangle, no? Suppose A, B, C is a right angle triangle, angle B 90 degree. Suppose this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Okay? Now, again if I draw like that, see, this also. So this is 90 degree. Suppose P, Q, R. And this is 60 degree, suppose this is 30 degree. See, both are similar shape but different in size, called similarity. Maybe small, maybe big, okay? So this is form of a similarity. Then in which condition two triangle we have to say that is similar. And if two triangle are similar, then what is the condition of their sides? What is the condition of their area? Everything we have to discuss now. Okay? See. See, I am showing here. Suppose rule 1 here. A, B, C be a triangle. Again I am writing here suppose P, Q, R, two triangles are there, okay? A, B, C and P, Q, R, two triangle. Here is given, suppose angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Given angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Three conditions are there. Okay? That is angle, angle, angle. Similarity. If keep in mind, if two angles are equal, then third is also equal. Okay? If two angles are at least two angles are equal, third angle must be equal. Then you can say two triangles also similar triangle. Okay? See here angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Three conditions are equal. Three angles are equal. Then we can say triangles are similar. Okay. Then you can say triangles are similar. Okay. If triangles are similar, then we can say, keep in mind, if triangles are similar, then we can say corresponding sides are proportional. If triangle are similar, then we can say that corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, keep in mind. See how to recognize, that is identify, that is how to identify that is corresponding sides. See, look at here. Angle A, opposite side, keep in mind. Whatever angle A is, how this angle A, we are taking two sides now, AC and AB, leave them. Remaining sides, that is BC. So this angle opposite sides BC, this angle opposite sides AC, and angle C opposite sides AB. Again I am explaining. Angle A opposite sides BC, angle B opposite sides AC, angle C opposite sides AB. Understood? Okay. Whatever angle is given, that is opposite sides, angle minimum two angle there. This angle you have to form angle B. We are required angles, that is BC side and AB side is required. So yes. Now remaining side, what is not required? AC is not required. We are not taking AC. From angle B you are taking AB and BC though. Angle B. So remaining is that this is the opposite sides. Whatever angle opposite sides, always proportional. See. So angle A opposite side BC. So you can write BC. Okay. And P, look at here, P opposite side QR. Write QR. Equal to angle B opposite side AC. AC, right. And here Q PR. Equal to angle C, right. This angle C is given. So angle C is AB. Angle R PQ. Okay. Here two triangle are similar. The condition is given A, that is angle similarity. Okay. So corresponding sides are proportional. So writing BC by QR equal to AC by PR equal to AB by PQ. Okay. Any doubt? No. Next, keep in mind, if two triangles are similar, then we can say area of these two triangles, the ratio, area of their ratio, okay, that is equal to proportional their side square. See, here, since two triangles are similar, so we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR always equal to BC square by QR square equal to AC square by PR square, okay, equal to AB square by PQ square. It is always, you can prove also. Proof is not equal, just you remember. Okay. All of you remember, that is area of the triangle ABC by area of the triangle PQR. Area of the triangle PQR, we can write BC square by QR square equal to AC square by PR square equal to AB square by PQ square. AB square by PQ square. Okay? Yes. Now, here two triangles similar. Suppose if two triangles not similar, then what is the ratio of the area? Wait, I am showing here. Okay? I am showing here. Suppose two triangles are not similar, then what is the ratio of their area? See, very important thing also there. Okay? See. Go. Now, Next one, suppose I am telling if two triangles are not similar, then what is the relation between, okay, ratio of their area, okay. Now look at here, I am telling here not similar. Suppose, see, I am showing here, drawing the, look at here, two triangles are there, A, B, C. Triangle is there. Suppose I am taking here C. This also one triangle. Suppose D. See, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Okay. Triangle ABC. Okay. And ABD. Look at here. In between AD, C. Right. ABD. Okay. Now I am telling one thing. See, ABC triangle, okay, ABD and ADC triangle is given, okay, ABC and ABD given now. See, first you consider, if we consider two triangle, so this is the common vertex. See, A is common vertex, okay, H common vertex, okay, H common, and their bases C, B, D and C, BD and DC, that is the point B and D and C are collinear, B, D, C are collinear, okay, B, D and C are collinear, okay. We are considering triangle ABD and ACD having common vertex A, their bases BD and DC are same straight line. Then area of the triangle ABD by the ratio area of the triangle ACD always equal to BD by DC, their ratio. Keep in mind, ABD triangle and ACD triangle having common vertex A, okay, common vertex A, and their bases BD and DC are in same straight line. That means the point B and D and C are collinear. Then we can say the area of the triangle ABD by area of the triangle ACD equal to BD is to DC ratio. Okay, how to prove? See, suppose I am drawing here one perpendicular line is there. Okay, the perpendicular. See, so area of ABD half base BD and height, suppose this is P constantly, that is AP height. Okay, similarly area of the triangle, look at here, that is ADC half base DC, height also AP, no? See, this triangle height also this, if we consider this triangle height AP. Okay, now if you divide these two triangles, see, if you divide that is ABD by that is ADC half into BC into AP by half DC into AP. Both AP cancel, half cancel. See, BC by DC. Understood? Yes. So in triangle, that is, if we consider two triangles having common vertex and their bases are same straight line, then we can say the triangle area of the triangle are ratio of their area always equal to ratio of their bases. Keep in mind. But see, they are not similar. Okay. Keep in mind. If similar, this is okay, no problem is there. If not similar, then also we can prove this is area of the two triangle having common vertex and their base is the same straight line. So their ratio of their area is always equal to ratio of their bases. See. Next one. Now, basic proportional theory, keep in mind. See, suppose here is given a triangle ABC is given a triangle. Along BC parallel to draw, this is PQ. PQ. Okay. ABC is a triangle. PQ parallel BC is given. Then it is always true. This is the proportion, that is AP by PB always equal to AQ by QC. The ratio are always equal. That is AP ratio is to PB ratio equal to AQ ratio is to QC ratio. Keep in mind. Okay. If the line parallel, see this parallel to this line, then ratio AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Okay. So we can write reciprocal law. Look at here. See, AP by, see, if you write PB by AP always equal to QC by AQ. QC by AQ. Now adding one both the sides, all upon a ratio proportional. You put it, there is no change, the proportional. So PB by AP plus 1 equal to QC by AQ plus 1. So you can write here, look at here, that is PB by, that is PB plus AP by AP equal to QC plus AQ by AQ. Okay. See, PB plus AP, PB plus APB, PB plus AP. You can write total AB now. These two sides. Okay. So you can write total AB. So you can write AB by AP equal to QC plus AQ. See, QC plus AQ. You can write AC by AQ. Look at here. AB by AP means AB whole triangle. See, whole triangle here given. Taking whole AB by this part. This part. Okay. Equal to AC whole part by this part. Then we are considering whole triangle and this triangle considering. Whole triangle and this triangle considering. Okay. Similar also parallel is there. That is why. So these two parallel. Then we can say the triangle AB by AP equal to AC by AQ. Also we can write AP by AB also same similar thing. AP by AB, AQ by AC also you can write. Okay. So keep in mind, in triangle ABC, if any parallel to PQ is given, parallel to BC. Okay. See, in triangle ABC, given PQ parallel to BC, then we can say AP by AB equal to AQ by AC equal to, we can write this angle, that is PQ by BC. PQ by BC. Okay? PQ by BC. Understood? PQ by BC. That is these two triangles. You consider triangle ABC, whole triangle consider, and APQ you have to consider. Say, I am considering two triangles. Look at here. APQ and triangle ABC we are considering. See, so this parallel is given now. So this angle equal to this angle, corresponding angle. This angle equal to this angle, corresponding angle. This is the common part. common angle. Okay, so two triangles are similar, so then sides are proportional. Just previous time, just I am explaining this part. Yes, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, and area of the triangle, okay, area of the triangle here, that is their square ratio, okay, their AP square by AB square, AQ square by AC square, and PQ by BC square. Then area, so you write here area, that is APQ area by ABC area equal to AP square by AB square equal to AQ square by AC square equal to PQ square by BC square. Similar things are there. Area, okay. Note it down. AP square by AB square equal to AQ square by AC square equal to PQ square by BC square. Keep in mind. Okay. If just today we are learning that is, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, and area of the two triangles is there. Okay. Area of the two triangles is there. Area of the two triangle, okay, that is APQ by area of ABC, okay, that is AP square by AB square, AQ square by AC square, PQ square by BC square. Keep in mind. Okay. Yes. Now see, suppose I am saying one problem. See, look at here. Suppose A B C triangle is given. Okay, so this is parallel is given. PQ parallel BC. Suppose AP ratio is to PB ratio 2:3 is given. Find AQ is to AC. Find AQ is to QC, number 1. Number 2, AQ is to AC. Number PQ is to BC. Just now explaining this part. If any parallel line is given, so this is BC. Here in triangle ABC, PQ parallel BC. Then we can say ratio AP is to PB equal to AQ is to QC. See, here is given 2:3 is given. So this is also 2:3. See, we are getting 2:3. Okay. Now, whole part. AQ is to AC, whole part. So AQ you can write here 2:5. Yes, 2:5. Again PQ is to BC. PQ is to BC also. This also 2:5. Because two triangle here. Look at here. Triangle APQ and triangle ABC are similar triangle, because angle P equal to angle B is given, parallel line is given, then corresponding angle equal, and AQB, that is this angle equal to this angle, AQP and ACB equal corresponding angle, and this is common angle. So two triangle, that is APQ and ABC, are similar triangle. Okay, and the area also, if we write area, so APQ area by ABC area, sided square, that is PQ square, you can write PQ square by here BC square, that is 4 by 25. Okay, just I will revise this part only. Similarity, we know similar shape but different in size. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides also proportional, and angle opposite side also proportional. Okay, angle opposite side you have to see the similar side, and if two triangles similar, then area of the ratio of two triangles always equal to their corresponding sided square. Okay, the proportional square. And if two triangles not similar but their common vertex is there and their bases are same straight line, then area of their ratio of their area always equal to ratio of their bases. And suppose one triangle is given, one parallel is given, again sides parallel is given. Okay, then their ratio part is always equal. Suppose ABC triangle is given, PQ parallel to BC is given, then we can say AP is to PB equal to AQ is to QC, or AP is to AB, whole triangle, AP is to AB equal to the ratio AQ is to AC. Okay, is to PQ is to BC, like that. Okay, again next day I will teach few also theory rules are there. After that we will start exercise. Okay, bye. No more today.